Advantages of Forex trading. The following are some advantages of Forex trading. Globally, Forex market offers the most liquidity due to their high daily trading volume. A position can be opened and closed in a matter of the second for a small pair with any of the major currencies. FX markets are open 24 hours a day, 5.5 days a week, starting every day. There are several opportunities for traders to make profits or cover losses owing to the board time, horizon, and coverage. Frankfurt, Hong Kong, London, New York, Paris, Singapore, Sydney, Tokyo, and Zurich are some of the major forex markets. With forex trading, you can start with little capital and increase your profit by using leverage. The automated nature of forex market makes it possible to execute trading strategies quickly. A forex trade generally follows the same rules as regular trading and requires much less capital to get started. Forex is therefore easier to trade than stocks. In comparison with traditional stock or bond market, the forex market is more decentralized. Due to the lack of centralized exchange, currency trade operations are less likely to be manipulated through inside information.